everybody, and good morning. Just leaving Lander now, headed to the north to Dubois today, another site. Just in the town of Dubois. Look at that. Local animals here. Just heading through Dubois, heading to the mountaintop. Got the keys. We are ready to go. Look at the Trails Inn Motel. There's a lot of motels here. Is this Highway 30?
No, this isn't 30.
What is it?
Oh, I don't remember which one it is.
287?
Probably 287.
Yeah, we think this is Highway 287. Doesn't matter, we're driving on it. Yeah, this is a herd of antelopes, or antelope, I should say. And wonder where they all have been. Here they are, up close and personal. Go on. And the local deer here. These aren't very big ones. They're mule deer, but they're relatively small. Maybe they're just young, don't know. Hi. here on the top of Dubois. There's the antenna, and there's the building. We're done. Wheelers are repacked. There's Galen, and we're making good time. We're headed to Rock Springs now. It's about 3 hours, I think, heading down the road. Let's get out of here. Leaving Dubois now, heading down to Rock Springs via Lander. Kind of retracing our steps of this morning. Yeah, just going by the military museum again. As you can see, there's just about every kind of vehicle here, and it's looks like a very cool place. Stop by next time you're in Wyoming, going up I believe it's 287. Just coming into the city of Lander now. We're going to grab a little lunch and continue our progress south here towards Rock Springs. We got ourselves a Scottish lunch. And the door closers here at South Pass Rest Area. One of the things about being 6'6" is you got to watch out for the door closers, right? So look, ouch. These need to be 6'8" to state of Wyoming, not 6'3". This is very dangerous. It's illegal, and it has to be at 6'8". So you need to fix it. Ma, it's snowing. Yeah, you can see it out there in the distance. That's all right. And before winter's over, it's going to get us a couple times here, I think. I've passed this rock a dozen times. Here's what it looks like up close. Well, just like that, we're in Farson. There is the general store. A little bit better shot of it. We're going to go left this time. We've been straight. We came in from the right, and now we're turning left. We're headed to Rock Springs.
Continue for 39 miles.
Just what she said. Rock Springs, ho. Getting close to Rock Springs. Got another 20 some miles here now. We're outside of Rock Springs now, heading to our first turn at the phosphate plant. This is the phosphate plant, and we turn right here. There's the site up there, and we gotta go all the way down and around, so let's get it done. At least we can get closer with the trailer, that's a good part.
Of course, that's why we brought it up.
Yeah. There's a site over there, and it looks like the road's pretty snowy. This road, of course, has been in good shape, so hopefully we can get a little closer. Wheelers are loaded. Trailer's got a flat, and we're ready to go. Heading up the hill. The site, as you can see, it's blowing. Yeah, the wind doesn't howl here. The flat's fixed, we're all loaded up, we're getting the heck out of here. Yay, we made it here to the pavement. We were down off the mountain here in Rock Springs. We're gonna go by, grab something to eat, possibly some Arby's, fuel up and head for home. Just up here on Interstate 80, heading for home. This is the last of our trips. This was day 12. We made it back to the ranch on one spare tire. We ended up using the last spare tire on our last site, and it got us home no trouble. So we're home now. I'm sitting here in the Tesla. Next few days, I'm going to do some Tesla stuff, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you very much for watching my driving around Wyoming videos. I hope it was interesting. It is really a beautiful place here in Wyoming. Today, we've got some stuff to do. We've got to go get some more spare tires for the trailer. We've got 2 more sites to do, one in Rawlins, Wyoming, and one in Laramie. Those will be done here in the next few days, but meanwhile, I'll be doing some Tesla videos here in Wyoming, here in the Model Y. If you like my video series, I would certainly appreciate it if you click the like and also subscribe. As you know, I'm trying to grow my channel. Thank you very much for watching the series. I will have a couple more for the next couple sites, but I'll fill it in here with Tesla videos in between. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.